Driver made wrong turn and almost caused a big mess on intersection.
What are you doing? Okay. Watch yourself, bruh.
I was in the lane, buddy. You don't go in a lane where there's a motorcycle. You don't do that.
This biker said that driver in black SUV was tailgating him and then almost sideswiped him. These bikers came across a driver who felt the need to stop bikers from overtaking, and the way he has done it was extremely dangerous and stupid.
He almost hit that Ducati and he was weaving.
What are you doing, my guy? What are you doing on the sidewalk? You're out of gas? Ah, where's the closest gas station? Huh? Where's the closest gas station?
It's over there.
Oh, you be good?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, yeah, be safe. I mean, I wouldn't mind grabbing a can for him. Ah, you know what? Let's grab him a can, I guess. Bro, there's no gas station over here, my guy.
This biker noticed that there is no gas station nearby, so he couldn't just let his fellow rider to push his bike.
Hello. I don't want to waste a whole bunch of water. I'm okay with wasting Gatorade. Zero? No one likes zero. I'll waste some of that. Do you sell gas canisters? Gas canisters? Yeah. Oh, yeah, a buddy ran out of gas over there. You got any smaller ones? Ah, crap. Do you think I could pump it in one of like those water bottles? Like pour out, like buy it, pour out the water bottle? You think that is that okay if I do that? Okay. I'm buying some $5 water. 3 liters. Do you want some water? I mean, no, you don't have a cup or anything I can pour it in? No? Okay. Well then, yeah, I'll just pour it in the back then. Thank you very much. I hope this kid doesn't like go a different way or something. It would suck if like I did all this and then him just be like, yeah, I already got gas. Or I can't find the kid afterwards. I don't know what type of gas he gets, but put a 92. I don't know how I'm gonna freaking ride like this. Here, hold that bike. All right, buddy, I'm coming to save you. I see him walking. Come here, buddy. All right, buddy. Oh, shit. I'm gonna stall. I'm gonna stall. I'm gonna stall. I'm gonna stall. Hey, I got you gas. I got you gas.
Bro.
It's 92, is that okay?
Thank you.
Yeah, no problem.
This biker noticed strange activity going on in the woods. He tried his best to investigate what's going on.
What's going on there? The hell? Where that lady was standing at the top of the stairs, there was like a bunch of clothes or something. I don't know what it was. And I don't know what this car's doing. But yeah, I don't know what that guy's doing. It's kind of creeping me out. Maybe if I go back here, I think this leads back more towards where those people were, and I want to make sure there's not something weird going on with that guy and that lady. And if I get in trouble in the process, then so be it. Act normal, act casual, act like we didn't just ride all through those woods. What is going on here? You see all that stuff? Oh, it's not clothes. It's like something they were building maybe? But why is his car there? Like, I don't see either of them back there. But I also don't think I can get down there on this. I don't know. That's what I'm trying to figure out. I think so. I was coming by and there was like some lady standing at the top of the thing, and then he pulled up and was acting kind of weird. It could very well be nothing. It was just weird. It felt like he pulled up, and as soon as I rode away, he started walking back there after she did, and then I looped back and his car is still there with the hazards on, and I'm like, I don't know if it's my spidey senses tingling for no reason, but...
Well, you know, they never tingle for no reason.
Right.
That was very, very nice. Well, maybe make another loop around and...
That's the plan.
After some time, he decided to leave, but his conscience wasn't at peace. So he decided to turn back and go deeper in the woods.
I'm like trying to soak in the scenery, but it's kind of hard when I'm like trying to figure out if that lady's back there getting slaughtered, you know? His car still is there. What's going on here, dude? Let's try this. This feels promising. Dude, how do I get myself into situations like this? And now I feel like I'm gonna come across some people who are not them, and they're gonna call the cops on me when in reality I'm trying to save the freaking day. Wait, is that the guy? There's definitely just a guy there, and it's weird that it seems like he turned around when he saw me. Am I making all of this up in my head? Am I schizophrenic? I was gonna take out my phone and check my GoPro, but then I just heard a tree crack. I'm for sure going over there, if for no other reason than to just find out what he's doing. I got a knife on me. If worse comes to worse, I will him. Why do I not see him now? What is going on back here, dude? Everything okay?
So you're not allowed to ride those in.
No, I was coming to check on you because I circled back around and I saw your car was still there.
Yeah. So thank you for checking.
Yeah.
Do you live in Bay Ridge or in Annapolis Cove?
Oh no, that doesn't matter. I was just, because when I came by, there was some lady that was standing there, and then I saw your car was still there, and I just got weird vibes, so I was making sure everything was okay.
Really appreciate it. It 100% matters.
Yeah.
This is private property. You're not allowed to be here.
Yeah.
You certainly can't do that.
I was checking on you. We're not going to turn this around. I didn't just come back here for fun. I was trying to make sure everything was okay. I got some weird vibes because there was like the lady that was walking back here, and then your car was still there, and I'm like, are they okay? Like, what's going on here?
Yeah, so there's two parts to this. There's you checking on me, which I really appreciate. You're not allowed to be on this property unless you live in Bay Ridge.
I totally get that.
So if you could respect that, that would be great.
Yeah, I'm headed out now. It's one of those things where if somebody had to call the cops on me and I had to explain to them that I did it to make sure that somebody else was safe, I'll take that ticket all day, you know? But it's not something I do normally. All right, have a good one. Glad everything's okay.